Can you give some examples how Google Analytics might be helpful for Google Ads? Yes. So Google Analytics is, first of all, you must and you should link analytics account to your ads account, right? And if you have got any goals, events, or anything like that, or audiences, then you can see what's happening in ads as well. Analytics is where you will see whatever the activity is happening from all your traffic channels, be it search, be it Google Ads, organic, social, email, direct, and so on. A lot of the time, what we do is we will set up goals in Google Analytics to see the quality of the traffic from all these platforms or channels. A good example is time on site. If they're staying on the site for longer a time, we know that they are interested in our content and they are looking, watching, viewing, reading our content. Another one could be scroll to the bottom of the page. How many visitors out of 100 visit to the bottom of the page? So that means they are also reading your content, interested. How many clicked on the video button to watch the video? How many clicked on the chat widget to start a conversation with your sales rep? How many clicked on the phone button to call you? So all these goals can be imported back into Google Ads, or you can see them in analytics. So you will also find that the audiences from analytics, and that gives you a really good insight as to the kind of audiences you want to target on Google Ads as well. So it doesn't harm anything or harm your campaigns. Even if you add, link it together, it's just there. You can see the data in properly. And I would always recommend that you connect it. And we use Google Tag Manager to put everything together. So all you do is just put the tag manager on your website, put the analytics code or GA4 now through tag manager, and then link your accounts to your ads. Okay. So yeah, this is how we would decide, especially when we are running display and video campaigns. Then you can see if you're not getting any conversions, you can set up all these micro conversions and see which one is giving you which campaign is giving you the best performance.